Hey guys, in this video we're gonna learn how you can call a function in Python. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so here I'm using Notepad Plus. You can also use Visual Studio Code or maybe an online compiler of Python. It doesn't really matter. Now, first of all, you have to define a function by just typing def, and you're gonna name your function. So I'm gonna name my function the sample, and in the end you have to add a colon. After that, in here you have to write something. So I'm gonna write print hello subscribe. Alright, so this is our function and it will basically print the text written in here. You can see hello and subscribe. Now, in order to call a function, all you need to do, you just have to simply write the name of that specific function. After that, you have to add the parentheses and you have done. Now, this is a simple program and we have defined a function, and below here we call that function. Now, I'm gonna save this file as hello.py. We'll check the result of this program. So open up your command prompt. Now I'm gonna go to the D drive where I have saved my Python file, and we will run the file by just typing Python and the name of that file. And right there you can see it prints our text. So this is basically how you can call a function in Python. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.